Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Work with a nice gentleman on a Nissan Rogue 2020. He had a hard time starting the vehicle. Come to find out, his battery is weak. Gave him a jump. And now we're going to actually physically test the alternator in two different ways. Get yourself a nice multimeter. This symbol right here is direct current. This one that's like a wave, that is AC current. That is inside your house. You want to put it at 20, turn the dial to 20. You should not get nothing but above 20 volts. That's why you put it there. All right, so we're going to test his alternator in two different ways. So I have the black on negative, red on positive, and yes, I do see the green boogers, everybody who's going to comment. That will be ascertained and taken care of. Thank you. At this moment, his alternator is pushing out what it's supposed to, and it's working a little harder because the battery sucks. So now we're going to test the alternator with our fancy little gadget that you can buy yourself. It will be in the description, so will this multimeter. So we're going to put black on black, which is negative, red on positive. We've already tested out the battery, so we do not need to do that. We're going to test the alternator, which is, you're going to go down to charging. Going to hit enter. It's going to go through his alternator, and there's going to be a second part to this. It's going to be the load. All right, sir, if you'd be so kind to raise your RPMs up to 2,500 and hold it, and I'll tell you let go. He's going to rev it up to 25 RPMs. Thank you, kind sir. He's going to hold it. His charging is too high. You can let go. The reason why his charging is too high because his battery sucks. So the battery needs 12.5 volts surface charge as a good battery. The alternator is going to be controlled by the computer. There's two parts to this alternator. One is going to be for the battery, which is going to be the big cable. And the second one that you plug in is going to be the part right there. Is going to be controlled by the computer. This is going to be compensating for the battery. If the vehicle is shaking because it doesn't have enough amperage and power to run the vehicle properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a secondary diagnostic and find out why this battery, brand new battery, decided to kick the bucket. But now you know about the alternator. It charges the battery. That's all it does. The battery is running the whole entire car. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave positive feedback. We all like to learn, and if there's any tools or anything you want us to test out, as people are sending us stuff, we will give you live shout outs of your name. Thank you.